things because I'm going to give it to my chickens and my strainer to rinse out my potatoes after I get them cut. And I use my knife and cutting board to make it easier on my hands. Killed a lot of potatoes in my life. My mama used to use a paring knife. I'm going to be using the potato cutter just to make it easier. So, just want to teach you guys just a little bit of the basics in the kitchen. The potato peeler is going to be sharp, so pay attention and be careful. But in order to have mashed potatoes, you can have some with the peeling on if you like it. I personally don't like it, so I peel off the peeling. And like I said before, my chickens enjoy it, so that's where it will be going after we get done. So the main point is peel it. We're gonna dice it. Maybe that's not the right word, but this is the essentials. The main point, anyway. And after you get a bunch, you just throw it in the strainer and make sure you rinse them after you get her full. I'll show you the next step after. Just a little trick. Go all the way around the potato. And then do the middles. Makes it faster. And then with cutting, I'll show you a little trick that I do. You want to have your potatoes around the same size so they all got the same. Just kind of pick it up. Makes it easier to clear the board. And here my chickies come. They're ready for me to feed them and put them up for the night. The potatoes have been cooking on a medium-high heat for about 30-35 minutes. They're ready to go. Super soft. So let's go drain them. This is important, so please pay attention. You want to pour away from you, away the steam doesn't burn you completely, and the water doesn't burn you. Just be careful when you put it back in the pan. I have to excuse my boys fighting in the background. But our potatoes are drained. I put the butter in it already, and we have our mixer ready. And my turkey is going in my pressure cooker. Just line up the little notches. This is the way I like to do it. Everybody else has their own way of doing it. I've already put in my butter so it can melt better. And then I like to smash it first. Then I'm going to turn on my blender, add my salt, my pepper, and my milk until it's creamy. It's up to you on how you do yours. I don't like mine chunky.